Welcome to Cursive Lesson 57. We're working on the high frequency words of him and into. Okay, first thing you need to do is make sure you put your heading on, your name, number, date, and our directions here. Trace each word and use the dots provided to practice writing each word. So we're going to start with him. Okay, so starting dot, we slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, retrace back up to the middle, down to the bottom. We're going to slant up to the middle. Now this is an I. We don't dot it till we're done with the word. Retrace back down, slant up to the middle, down, retrace back up, down, retrace back up, down, make your tail, then go back and dot your I. Starting dot, we slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, retrace back up, down to the middle, down to the bottom, slant up to the middle, retrace back down, up to the middle, and what we do right here is we get ready to make our letter M. So just down, up, down, make your tail, then go back. Don't forget to dot your I. Starting dot, slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, retrace back up, down, slant up to the middle, retrace back down, up to the middle. Now we make our M. Okay, make your tail, go back and dot your I. Starting dot, slant all the way up, loop back, touch the bottom, retrace up, down, up to the middle, retrace back down, up to the middle. Now we make our M, so down, up, down, make your tail, dot your I. Okay, now capital H. We do have to lift the pencil once before ending the word, and then we still have to dot the I at the end. So make our first line, then we go back over here, go all the way down, retrace up, loop around, touch the first line, loop around, go to the middle, retrace back down to the bottom. Now we go up and make our N, down, down, make your tail, go back and dot your I. So starting dot, we make our line, then we pick up, make our second line, retrace, loop, touch the first line, loop down to the middle, retrace back down to the bottom, up to the middle. Now we make our M, down, make your tail, go back, dot your I. Starting dot, we make our first line. Now we make our second line, retrace up, loop around, touch the first line, up to the middle, back down, up, down, make your tail, dot your I. Start your cursive. Okay, pick it up, retrace back up, loop around, touch, back down, up to the middle, down, down, make your tail, dot your I. Okay, so next word we're working on into. So we have to dot our I and cross our T at the end. So starting dot, we slant up, retrace back down, slant up, down, retrace up, down, slant almost all the way to the top, retrace back down, slant up to the middle, retrace, complete your oval, make your little loop, and your whoop. Then you cross your T and dot your I. Or dot your I and cross your T. You can do that in any order. Okay, so starting dot, slant up, retrace back down, up, down, retrace back down, up to the middle, retrace back down to the bottom, loop around, complete your oval, make your little loop and whoop, cross your T, dot your I. So starting dot, we're going to slant up, retrace back down, retrace up, down, retrace back down, go up to the middle, and then we're going to retrace, touch the bottom, complete our oval, make our little loop and whoop, cross the T, dot the I. Starting dot, we slant up, retrace back down, slant up to be able to make our N. Then we slant not all the way to the top, retrace back down to the middle, retrace, touch the bottom, complete your oval, make your little loop, whoop, cross, and dot. So here, starting dot, we curve out, make a point, retrace, touch the bottom, all the way to the top, loop back to the bottom, and go up to the middle to be able to make our N. Then we slant up, retrace back down, slant up, retrace back down to the bottom, complete your oval, make your little loop and whoop, and then cross your T. Starting dot, you slant out, make a point, retrace to the bottom, all the way to the top, retrace back down, slant up to the middle, down, retrace up to the middle, down, up, retrace back down, slant to the middle, retrace, complete your oval, make your little loop and whoop, and cross your T. Starting dot, curve out, make a point, touch the bottom, all the way to the top, loop back, and up to the middle, retrace, up to the middle, down, up, retrace back down, complete your oval, make your little loop and whoop, cross your T. Starting dot, make a point, retrace down, up to the top, back around, up, down, T, up to the middle, make sure you're retracing back to the bottom, complete your oval, make your little loop and whoop, and cross your T. So that's the high frequency words of him and into. Please continue practicing on the back, and thank you for joining me.